In lesson 22, we introduced the sound L. The L sound is made by placing the tip of your tongue just behind your front teeth. The sound passes around your tongue and out through your mouth. L. L. Today, we will be thinking about where we hear the L sound. Is it right at the beginning of the word? Somewhere in the middle? Or right at the end of the word? First, we need to draw a rectangle with 2 lines. So you have space to write the numbers that are on the pictures. The numbers go here if you hear the sound at the beginning of the word. In this middle box, if you hear the L sound in the middle of the word. And in this box, if you hear the L at the end of the word. So our first one today is snail. Where do you hear the O sound in snail? Number 2, leaf. Leaf. Number 3, ladder. Ladder. Where is the L sound in ladder? Remember, you can pause the video at any time if it's going a little bit fast, or you can ask someone to reread them to you. Number 4, lion. Lion. Number 5, violin. Violin. You're listening for the O sound in violin. Number 6, balloon. Balloon. Number 7, girl. Girl. Number 8, pillow. Pillow. Where can you hear the O sound in pillow? And finally, number 9, owl. Owl. You now have a chance to pause the video and check your numbers in the boxes against the pictures you have. When you're ready, you can move on to the answers. Let's have a look at our answers together. Did you hear the L at the start of leaf? Did you put it in the first box? Did you remember to think about where your tongue was? For L, your tongue presses against the back of your front teeth. Leaf. Leaf. Next, we had number 3, ladder. Ladder. And number 4, lion. Lion. Did you write 2, 3 and 4 in the first box? Don't worry if you got any wrong. You can always go over the words again. Now let's think about hearing O in the middle of the word. Maybe a little bit trickier. Number 5, violin. Violin. Next, number 6, balloon. Balloon. And next, number 8, pillow. Pillow. Did you write 5, 6 and 8 in the second box? Have a check now. And finally, in our last box, did you hear the L sound at the end of snail? Snail. Number 7 for girl. Girl. And number 9 for owl. Owl. Did you write 1, 7 and 9 in the end box for hearing right at the end of the word? Take a minute to look over your answers. Well done. Good job, and thanks for joining me today.